Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about colors, numbers, big and small, and even a little bit about my favorite season, fall, using this cool tree toy. Do you like fall? Yeah, so do I. I love it when the weather starts to get a little bit cooler and all the leaves fall off the trees. My favorite is when the leaves crunch underneath my feet. Did you know that fall is sometimes called autumn? Try saying that. Autumn. But hey, check out our tree here. It looks like there's some stuff that's missing. Down here we have some empty holes. I wonder what goes in there. Wow, check it out. Do you know what these things are? Yeah, they're pumpkins. In the fall, I love to go pumpkin picking. Do you like to eat pumpkin pie? I think it's yummy. Let's try putting these pumpkins inside of our empty holes here at the bottom of our tree. But let's try doing it from biggest pumpkin to smallest pumpkin. Okay, so which one of our pumpkins is the biggest? Yeah, it's this one right here. This is our biggest pumpkin. Let's put it back in its hole. All right, now that we got our biggest pumpkin put back, let's try to find the next biggest pumpkin. Which one is the second biggest pumpkin? Yeah, it's this one right over here. Here's our second biggest pumpkin. Let's put it back. All right, time to find our third biggest pumpkin. Which one do you think it is? Is it this one right here? No. I think we still got a couple of other pumpkins that are a lot bigger than that one. Better try again. Yeah, it's this one way over on the left. Here's our third biggest pumpkin. Time to put it away. All right, only 2 pumpkins left. Out of these 2, which one is the bigger one? That will be our 4th biggest pumpkin. Yeah, it's this one right here. Here's our 4th biggest pumpkin. Time to put it under the tree. All right, there's only 1 pumpkin left, so let's put it away. Here's our smallest pumpkin. All right, great job. We got all the pumpkins put back in their holes. But it still looks like there's something missing from our tree. What do you think it is? Yeah, of course, the leaves in all the different colors. Let's put them on the tree. All right, check out our leaves. I love the pretty colors. Let's try collecting the leaves and separating them by color. We can use this cute little tray to sort them. All right, let's see what leaves we have. Starting with this leaf. What color is it? Yeah, it's red. Do you see any other leaves here that are red? Yeah, they're right here. Here's red leaf number 2 and red leaf number 3. Here they all are. Let's put them away now. All right, let's try another color. Let's do this leaf. What color is this one? Yeah, it's yellow. Do you see any other leaves here that are yellow? Is this one yellow? that one is green. Better try again. Where are the other yellow leaves? Yeah, here they are. Here's yellow leaf number 2 and yellow leaf number 3. Here's all the yellow leaves. Time to put them away. All right, it looks like there's only one leaf color left. Do you know what it is? Yeah, it's green. Let's gather them up. Here's green leaf number 1, green leaf number 2, and green leaf number 3. Got all the green leaves here. Time to put them away. All right, looks like we gathered all our leaves. But hey, let's check out what's on the other side of the tree. Wow, this side looks different. It looks like the tree is separated by each color. Let's take our leaves and put them back on the tree based on what color they are. Starting with the red leaves. Do you see where the red leaves should go? Yeah, this bottom section right down here. Let's put our red leaves up. All right, what color should we do next? Let's try the green leaves. Here's our green leaves. Do you see what section the green leaves should go to? Should they go here? No, that middle section is yellow. That's not where the green leaves should go. Better try again. Yeah, it's up here, way up on the top. Let's put our leaves up there. All right, looks like we only got one color left. Here's those pretty yellow leaves. Time to put them on the tree. All right, you did it. We matched all the fall leaves up by their color. And you did a great job putting pumpkins in their holes from big to small. Thanks so much for playing with me today. Hope you had fun. Hope to see you again next time. Happy fall, everybody. Bye.